Hello, welcome back guys to Sportaria channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to change Moto account photo profile on Motorola G06 Power. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support this channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, here you just have to go to the settings first, of course. And now in this settings page, you just have to scroll it down until we'll find here the password, passkey, and accounts options. Just tap on it and make sure that your phone is connected to the internet, yeah guys, by Wi-Fi or the mobile data. And then here to change it, you just have to go to your Moto account. Here I'm gonna tap on it, and after to change it, tap on this account settings first, and go to this profile photo. Tap on it. We'll see here two options, which is take a photo, which is you have to open the camera right now and take a new photo, a real photo, or here you can select image, you guys. I'm gonna tap on this options, which is select image, and here I'm gonna tap on low limited access for open the photo or the album. And now I'm gonna use this one for my profile photo, yeah guys, in my Moto account. And after, tap on done button. We can adjust it first. So if you're done, tap on this checklist icon at the top right side. And yeah, this is the result, yeah guys. My photo profile on my Moto account is already changed. So I think it's enough from me. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.